Okay guys, this is a quick tutorial on opening up or on placing an image on your puzzle cube part or on any part in Inventor. First you want to make sure, of course, that you're in the correct folder. So I've got that highlighted and I'm going to hit done. We're going to use my Iron Man piece. Okay, so I'm going to open up that part. Alright, I'm going to place the face on this gold part there, where it is right here, so that he will have the Iron Man Lego face on his, what would be his face on here. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is I'm going to create a work plane that's offset. That means that it's parallel with the plane that I select, but it's just a little bit off of it. So I'm going to pick the face, and then I'm going to grab the little gold arrow and just drag it away a little bit so that it's out here away from the thing. Then I'm going to hit enter or the green check mark. Okay, so now I've got this plane out here working, and what I want to do is I want to create a sketch on it. So I'm going to highlight it over here in the browser, right click it, and go to new sketch. Alright, now the reason that I did this is because we can't place the image directly on our part. We need to wrap it onto the part. So we can put the image on this plane here though. So I'm going to go to this insert panel up here. I'm going to click on image. I'm going to find my Captain America, or I'm sorry, my Iron Man face. I'm going to place it on here, and it's generally going to be much larger than you need it. And it'll let you place multiple ones, so I'm going to hit escape to get out of that. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink it down to size. Okay, so it might be about there, and I'm going to move it up onto the part. So that's pretty close. That's going to be good enough for me. Alright, it's just about centered nicely. Okay, we'll go over centering it later. And then I'm going to finish the sketch though. Okay, so now I've got this Iron Man face floating out here in space, and I need to get it onto here. So this is the part where it's got the hidden, it's kind of hard to find. So you go to the create panel button here, and you drop it down and you hit decal. Then it's going to ask me what image I want to select. So I'm going to select the Iron Man image. Then it's going to ask me what face I want to select, where I want it to wrap to. So I'm going to click the gold face. Then I'm going to click OK, and voila, there's my Iron Man face on my cube part. Okay, now I'm done, and I've got this plane floating out here in space. So in order to turn it off, I can either right click on it directly and uncheck visibility, or I could go over here and do the same thing right here. Okay, that is how you hit F6 and hit home. That's how you wrap an image to the face.